Welcome to Coding Technologies. We are one of the most reputed and leading manufacturer and exporter of batch coding machines, handheld portable inkjet coding printers, sealing machines, filling machines and packaging machines. We are focused on providing customized solutions and services to our client. We follow a customer-centric and ethical business approach to provide complete satisfaction to our customer. Industrial segments we serve: pharmaceutical, cosmetic and personal care, food and beverages, automobile, tobacco. Our main highlights: premium quality products, advanced manufacturing infrastructure, prompt delivery. Our exclusive products: Thanks for watching.